Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, Euro USD is still trading inside the range. My goodness. Okay. And we have been discussing, okay, what are the trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD, and still it has not changed much. Okay. If you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, DXY tried to recover and again face resistance around the 50 moving average and had to come down. Made a high of 102.55 and came down and settled at or closed at 101.99. As we all know, that the overall chart of DXY is not very beautiful. DXY is under heavy pressure of sellers, so in the coming days also there is a possibility that DXY will be going down, though we have a minor support around 101.25, but due to the ongoing pressure, high chance that DXY will be breaking 101.25 and head towards 100 level, or maybe it will reach or touch double digit. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 79% retail traders have taken short position on Euro USD and only 20% have taken long position. And you can see the average short price is 1.0666, and right now market is standing at 1.0854, almost 200 pips loss. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money in the market, because we do not exit. We fail to follow the most important rule of the market, that is trend. Before we proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who has sponsored today's video. Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only, because along with buy and sell signals, you can use the tools for additional confirmation in your analysis. They have a trading community on Discord as well, where they post regular trading ideas. My dear friends, I have been using Chart Prime. I have backtested Chart Prime for a couple of months, and their service, their signals are really unmatched. This is the chart of Euro USD. You can see the chart of Euro USD for the last 4 days. The signals generated by Chart Prime are quite excellent. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Possible reversal down, it means that we should go for a sell position. Possible reversal up, it means that we should go for a buy position. You can also backtest Chart Prime in your trading platform. You'll see that their service, the signals are really great, because they also use support resistance. They also have a oscillator where they use divergence and many other stuff. Okay, you can usually see that it becomes very easy for you to make 15 to 20 pips on regular basis if you trade on lower time frame like 15 minutes, and on higher time frames, signals generated by Chart Prime will fetch you around 50 to 60 pips. But yes, if you are a serious trader, you can definitely give a try to Chart Prime. We know it very well that no trading service, no indicator is 100% accurate. So my dear friends, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. But yes, with proper risk management and a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely go a very long way. I will add the link in description to avail 30% discount right now. Please use the link in the description. You may also scan the code in the screen right now for faster registration. Make sure to check them out. And here is our Euro USD still trading inside the range. I have noticed one thing on the weekly chart that I would love to show you. That is, there's a weekly chart, and you can see that for the last 2 weeks, market is struggling to cross the 100 moving average here. Okay, and if market breaks the 100 moving average, then the next resistance may be around 1.1139 or 1.1130 level. So there may be an further upside of 400 to 500 pips if market crosses this level here. So for an upside of 400 to 500 pips, my god, DXY will have to fall till 97, 95. Okay, let's discuss the trading opportunities. First of all, the supports are still the same, 1.0775 and 1.0720. Okay, these two are the support levels in the market. But as I have already said in my previous videos, that my dear friends, market has already tested the levels too many times, so please be careful. Market does not like common things. So next time if you see market coming down to the support of 1.0775, 0.7, 1.0765, please be careful. Do not take a sell position also, because market may go for some SL hunting and go up again. Keep in mind, SL hunting is a bitter reality of the market. Once you see market coming down to support, observe the market and see. If you see that DXY, okay, DXY is going up, okay, DXY is going for a breakout, then that's a different scenario. You can go for a sell position. You can go for a sell position on the chart of Euro USD. But right now, Euro USD is bullish. The present trend of Euro USD is bullish. So as a result, it's better to take buy positions only. If you see that Euro USD is taking support going up, then it's easy peasy. You can go for buy position, but do follow proper risk management. Okay, do not forget that, because market has already tested the support too many times. And in case market comes down, market breaks the first support here, do not take a sell position. Wait for the market to give you a proper answer. Proper answer means if market again enters inside the support zone after some stop loss hunting, you can go for a buy position. In case market comes down, you can look for buy position around 1.0720. And the reason is Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, along with previous price rejection from below, and probably we will also have the trend line at the same level. So 1.0720, that area has a strong support, and we can definitely watch the market to bounce. If market bounces, we can go for a buy position. So these two are supports. But yes, around this support here we can have some manipulation, because market have already tested the level many times. So please be careful. And as you can see, the market is also approaching the resistance of 1.087080. Again, we need to be careful here also, because again, the same stuff, the market has been testing the resistance for a long time. Okay, so again, there is a big possibility that market may go for some SL hunting. See, for Euro USD to break out, okay, we need DXY to fall. Let's say you see Euro USD going up, but DXY is not falling. In that case, there may be a big SL hunting. There's a high chance of SL hunting. In that case, do not take a buy position. If you see that Euro USD going up, DXY is not going down, okay, just wait for the market to reverse. Once you see the market is reversing and entering inside the zone again, you can go for a sell position. But in case DXY drops by Monday, because there's a high chance of DXY going down, if DXY drops, then you can consider taking a buy position above 1.0870 as well. But wait for a few minutes, few hours, and just see how the market is doing. At least you can wait for 1 to 2 hours. If you see that after 1 to 2 hours market is trading comfortably, Euro USD is trading comfortably, then you'll get the confirmation that the previous resistance has become the new support, and you can go for a buy position. In case you miss out, then you can wait for a pullback. Once you get the pullback, you can go for buy position again. So there are many ways to take position in the market. Okay. So at first, let's wait and watch how the market reacts around the resistance zone. I will not be available on Monday. I will be attending a marriage function, so it will be quite late. So I won't be uploading any videos on Monday. So be careful. Again, I'm repeating. Once you see that Euro USD is in a critical position, observe the chart of DXY and then only take the decision. This is my lesson. I can be wrong as well. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.